Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox and review Stan Smith W. It's for ladies guys. So Adidas Stan Smith W. Let me unbox it. So here guys, here how it looks. This is Adidas Stan Smith W for ladies. So here guys, here it looks like. You can see here this green color design they put here. That's like a leaves. Then the golden leaves, and then there's a pink color over here. Then there's different shades of green over here. It's for ladies guys actually. And you can see here there's famous Adidas Stan Smith logo endorsed by Stan Smith in a golden color with his signature. And from the front it looks like this. It's a white powdery and clean white, you can see here. And inside of the shoes there is no design, only dot stripes of the Adidas, three stripes you can see here. And from the back side it will look like this: Stan Smith and Adidas logo in a golden color. And from the back you can also see this design. So it looks like really good with the jeans. You can see here Adidas logo, and then there is a stitches from the front side till the middle. Here you guys, and you can see here Adidas logo, and the bottom side is quite flat. So here is the complete look of the shoes.